In this video, I'm going to show you how to look like this when you really look like this. First, I'm going to brush out all the knots in my hair, and then I'm going to pin it back like it doesn't still look like a nest. And then I'm going to take out my Tarte Base Tape Primer to prime for my foundation. And then for foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation in the shade Y245. And I'm just going to cover my face with that. And now I'm just going to use this Morphe flat foundation brush to blend all that in.
Alexa. She weird as fuck. Alexa just heard me talking shit. She's listening again. I'm like, what's going on? I'm scared she's gonna burst my eardrums again. It's fine.
Now I'm making an excuse. I couldn't find my Laura Mercier powder, so I'm using this random sample of a translucent powder that I'm hoping works out. I think it's Ciate, I don't know. I lost it after I made this video, and then I'm just going to use a Morphe brush to blend in that powder over my foundation so it doesn't move. And now I'm taking an Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in soft brown and an Anastasia brow brush to do my eyebrows.
That's enough. I don't know, lately I've been trying to go light on my eyebrows because if not, they always end up like bushes. Alexa. What is this? Alexa. Like,
Shuffling songs by Trippy Red.
I'm in the bed with a burial. Your hair for a while.
This is me when I get my eyebrows right for once.
And I can feel a little bit under them, but not much. I just swipe it everything with brush.
And then for bronzer, I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, and I'm blending that in with a Morphe brush as well, and I'm putting that all over my forehead, nose, cheekbones, and jawline. And then for blush, I'm using a Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick, and I love this because it highlights and blushes me, if that's a word. And then for eyelashes, I'm just using my Kiss Ever Easy lashes and then trimming them with some little scissors, applying them with tweezers, and I'm using some clear duo eyelash glue, which I'd normally use black glue, but I couldn't find any.
Such a big difference, like.
And then for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Extra Drama mascara. I use the waterproof one and put it on my upper and lower lashes to blend the falsies in more. And then I'm using this shimmery chubby stick to highlight my inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. And then for extra highlighter, I'm using this shades Starstruck and Champagne Toast to make my face even more sparkly. And then I use a flat brush like that on the bridge of my nose to make a straight line when I highlight it. And then this is the Kylie Jenner lip liner in Iced Latte, and I'm lining my lips with that. And now I'm just going to fill that in with my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Christmas Cookie. And to finish everything off and lock it all in, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
That hurt my ankle. Push it,